Let us start today's lesson. So far, we are learning our English in video classes, no? Already we have completed 2 lessons. We have completed the lesson, the best advice I ever had. And also we have completed the lesson, Mauritius, right? Then we have also completed the poem, The Grass is Really Like Me. Yesterday I have sent you a video on the order of adjectives. Have you all seen the video and have you all solved the 10 questions given there in the textbook? Raise your hand, children. Order of adjectives. So if you have to use 2 or more adjectives at a time, which adjective should be used first? Okay. So that is called what? Order of adjectives. In detail, you have learnt it in the video. If you have watched the video, you have learnt it. Okay. But let me know how many of you have solved those 10 questions. If you have solved, raise your hands. Okay. Huh? So leave your hands down. Today let us start with a new topic there. New grammar topic it is. I think you have heard about models. Have you heard about models so far? Anyway, if you have heard about models, tell me what are models. Can anybody tell me what are models? Okay. Aditya? Aditya Hegde. Aditya, what are models? Have you heard this word anywhere? Models. Medini, have you heard anywhere? No. Okay. Aryan?
Hi.
Aryan? Aryan, unmute yourself and answer me, please. Have you heard the word model anywhere?
Mataji, no.
No. Okay. Then tell me, have you heard the words helping verbs and main verbs? Helping verbs and main verbs. How many of you have heard this one? Helping verbs and main verbs. Vaishnavi R. Hegde? Vaishnavi R. Hegde, tell me, Marie. Have you heard these 2 words anywhere? Main verbs and helping verbs.
I have heard Mataji these.
Do you remember anything, Vaishnavi?
Mataji, helping verbs.
What
Was,
do you-
were, are, is, am.
Yeah,
are.
exactly. Okay, is, am, are. These are all what? Helping verbs. Now, you have be form of helping verb. You have form of helping verb. And in the same way, you have do form of helping verbs, right? So, there is another kind of helping verb. It is called models. There are 13 models, children. 13 models are there. I'll just share the page for you, or else you can open your textbook. In your textbook, you open page number 30. Next. Yes, last page. Okay. See, in your textbook also you have this page. So what are models? Models are a kind of helping verbs. Models are a kind of helping verbs. Usually we will use these type of words. See, will, okay, would, then you have can, then you have could, okay, then may, might, then shall, should. Okay, so already you have got 8 helping verbs. Okay, then with that you have some more helping verbs there. They are need. Okay, then must you have, then ought to, then dare. So these are the 13 helping verbs. In the box you can see, no, which are they? Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, used to, ought to, need, and dare. So these are the helping verbs, and these helping verbs are called modals. You have 3 types of helping verbs. Already you have learnt about it. This is the 4th type of helping verb. So, how or where we will use these helping verbs? So, about that we will see. Again, we'll go for the next page. In your textbook also, yes. Okay. See here. First helping verb, you can see there, can and could. So, can is the present tense form and could is the past tense form. So, where can and could, in which situations can and could are used? So, first of all, it is used for seeking permission. Then it is also used for request, then offer, then ability. So, in these 4 cases, you can use this helping verb. What is that, children? Can or could. So, examples also they have given there. Let us see, or let us discuss the first example. Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? So, what is this? Is it a request, or is it a command, or is it an order? What is this, children? What is this? Raise your hand, please. Meeting page. Okay, children, tell me. So you have seen that can or could. So this can be used to make an offer or to make a request, sometimes to show our ability. I can do it, I can write it, I can sing a song. So in this case, it shows our ability, no? Can I take your pen? Can I or could I take your notebook once? What is this? Is it ability? Who will answer me? Who will answer me? Children, wait for a minute, okay?
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೋಗಿ ಯು ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Okay. See, children, I have some students who have raised your hands. Shreya. So we were discussing about the first example there. No, can I borrow your book? So what is there? Is it an ability, or is it showing an ability, or is it this sentence? Is it showing an order, request, command, permission? What is that? Shreya? I think we cannot hear Shreya. I'll go to Dhanya Naik. Dhanya Naik?
Mataji,
Yes, tell me, Marina.
Mataji request.
Exactly, it is a request. Okay. Now again, let us go for another sentence. She can read and write. Okay. She can read and write. What is this? Again, raise your hand, please. Others. She can read and write. See, in second column, they have given seeking permission, where we can use can and could. So for that, they have given where we can use. So for seeking permission, we can use can, could. Then for a request, then for an offer, or for showing our ability. So for this purpose, we can use can or could. No. Now tell me, in this second sentence, she can read and write. Nandan Hegde? What is this, Marie? It is showing our ability, right? Good. Leave your hand down. Thank you very much, Nandan. Now let us go for the second one. That is may. Okay. Where is may used? See, may is used to make a request, or to make an offer, then or to ask for permission, sometimes to show probability. Probability, do you know the meaning of probability? Probability means ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ. ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ, that is called what? Probability. So it may rain in in the afternoon. If I say it may rain in the afternoon, it is probable. It may rain, it may not rain, right? It is a probability. ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಉಂಟು, ಮಳೆ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಬರದೇನೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. So this is called what, children? Probability. To show the probability, to express a probability, we will use what? This one. What? May. Then next comes a possibility. Sometimes we can express the wish and desire. May God bless you. May your dreams come true. So in these cases, we are wishing, no? We are wishing to what? We are wishing for someone's betterment, right? So wish or desire. In this case, we will use what? May. So let us see the first sentence there. May I have some water? May I have some water? Now, what is it? So is it a request, or is it an offer? Is it permission? What is this? Possibility, what is this? Raise your hand. Diksha?
Mataji, request.
Exactly, it is request. Correct answer, Marie. Then let us go for the second sentence. May I help you? May I help you? What is this? May I help you? Sushrita.
Permission, Mataji.
Is it a permission? May I help you? ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? Is it a permission?
Request.
It is not request. Who else can answer me? Purnachandra? It is an offer, right? Offer ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ. It is an offer from our side to them, right? So may I help you? It is an offer. Then let us go for the next one. May I? Okay. May I shut the door? May I shut the door? What is this? Huh. Go on raising your hands. Sushant? We have Sushant here. Yes, Sushant, tell me. Huh.
Permission.
Exactly. So here I am asking the permission. No, may I shut the door? Nan bagel close madla. I am asking the permission. Then next one, God bless you. Okay. May God bless you. What is this? May God bless you. Sandesh Shetty?
Mataji, wish.
Yes, exactly. It is wish or it is desire. Okay. So in which cases may is used, the model may is used, children, to seek permission or to make an offer, sometimes to express our wish or desire. Okay, in all these cases, may is used. Then let us go for the next one, that is might. Okay, so let us see might. Where is might used? Might is used to express future possibility or probability. Just now I have explained you the meaning of probability, right? Probability means sadhyate, possibility. The innondu ರೂಪ ಏನು? Probability. So it may rain in the afternoon. In the month of November, the schools may open. So possibility, probability, right? So future probability, to express a future probability or possibility, we will use which model, children? That is might. So now let us go for the example. They might sell their house as they are in need of money. They might sell their house as they are in need of money. Understood? No? Probability is there, possibility is there. So ಅವರಿಗೆ money adjust ಆಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what they have to do? They have to sell their house. So to express the probability of the future, we will use which model? That is might. Then next one. Wait a minute. Okay. Now, after might, next one is will. So, where is will used? Will is used to express intention, then prediction, then offer, then promise, etc. Will. Okay, will is used in these cases to express our intention, prediction. What is the meaning of prediction, children? Predict ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ guess ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. Okay, so prediction, then to express offer, again to express the promise. Now let us go for the sentences here. See here. I am tired, so I will not play. I am tired, so I will not play. So here it is expressing the intention. So this sentence is expressing the intention of myself, right? Then next one, it will rain today. It will rain today. So again, it shows the prediction. I'm confidently saying that it will rain today. Within 5 minutes, the meeting may end, children. You have to join with the same link. Is that okay? So when the meeting ends, join with the same link. Now let us go for the next one. Would. Where is this model used? Would. So would is the more polite form of will. Remember this, children. Would is the more polite form of will. Again, it is used to show the preference, then request, then making arrangements. See this example there. Would you prefer tea or coffee? ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಉಂಟಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ವುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ರಶ್ ಇರಬೇಕು